Hi everyone, we're going to find the sum of each arithmetic sequence, and the formula we're going to use is your sum equals n over 2 times your first term plus your last term. Okay, in this case this is my first term, this is my last term, so I'm going to write S of n equals n over 2 times 1 plus 2n minus 1. So this is going to equal n over 2 times 2n. What happens here is the 2's cancel, and so our sum is n squared. Okay, the next one is going to be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus c dots, center dots, it means 3 dots, plus 2n. So I'm going to use S of n equals n over 2 times your first term plus your last term. Okay, so this is my first term, this is my last term, so S of n equals n over 2 times 2 plus 2n. I can divide each piece by 1. This 2 goes into this 2 goes into that 1, and 2 goes into this 1. So I get n times 1 plus 1n, and you can leave it like that, or this is n plus n squared. Alright, the next one is 7 plus 12 plus 17 plus c dots plus 2 plus 5n. So S of n equals n over 2 times your first term plus your last term. So S of n equals n over 2 times 7 plus 2 plus 5n. So S of n equals n over 2 times 5n plus 9. Alright? Did I do that right? Alright. Now, the next one is going to be negative 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus dot 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 plus 4n minus 5. So we're going to use S of n is n over 2 times your first term plus your last term. This is your first, this is your last, and then all you have to do is clean this up. Now this 2 goes into 4 twice, into 6 3 times. So this is going to be n times 2n minus 3. That's your sum. And if you want, you can just leave it like that, or you can write 2n squared minus 3n. This is actually the better way to leave it. Okay, the next one is going to be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus c dots plus 70. So this is your first, this is your last. So S of n equals n over 2 times 2 plus 70. So S of n equals n over 2, and this is going to be 72. 2 goes into 72 36 times, so S of n equals 36n. Now what you notice here is that this part here did not have an n in it. So basically on these kind, we really don't want to do this what we just did. What we want to do is write my first term equals 2 my common difference is 2. And we're going to write, we're going to find n. So I know my last term is 70 equals my first term plus n minus 1 times your common difference. So 70 equals 2 plus 2n minus 2. So 70 equals 2n. So my n equals 36. Now, no, 35, sorry. So basically, when you don't have an n down here, you're just going to have to do it this way. And now I'm going to do the sum. So the sum is n over 2 times your first term plus your last term, which we already did. But my n was what? 35. So basically, we're going to write the sum is 35 over 2 times 72, which equals 1260. So if you wanted to, you could have done this way and then plugged in, you'd have to do this part as well. And from here, you would have gone 36 times 35. So either way, but it's kind of better just to go with this route here. Okay, the next one, we'll do it the better way. We have 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus c dots plus 59. Now that's going to be, let's find our a. First term is 1. My common difference equals 2. And I'm going to find the number of terms. So my number of terms equals 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So my last term, this is 59, equals 1 plus my d is what? 2. So 1 plus 2n minus 2. So 59 equals 2n minus 1. So 60 equals 2n, and n equals 30. Now I'm going to write my formula. S of n equals n over 2 times your first term plus your last term. So that's going to be 30 over 2. My first term is 1. My last term was 59. So you get, this is 15 times 60, and 15 times 60 is going to be 900. And this one we have 5 plus 9 plus 13 plus dot 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 plus 49. And our first term is 5. My common difference is 4. And my last term is 49. I'm going to use the formula a sub n equals my first term plus n minus 1 times d to find my n. So 49 equals 5 plus n minus 1 times 4. So 49 equals 5 plus 4n minus 4. 49 equals 4n plus 1. So 48 equals 4n. So n equals 12. Now, I can use my formula now. And we get n is 12. And we have 5 plus 49. Oops, why did I do that? This is divided by 2. So we get 6 times 54. And 6 times 54 is going to be, which one is this one? Okay, this one's going to be 324. I wrote this down and I forgot, I couldn't find it. Okay, and that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.